Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. It's a tips and tricks video. Not made one for a long time, but I've got the opportunity to make one now. I'm sat in a Yaris GR Sport and I've got the City Pack fitted to this car, which gives me lots of additional functions, but it also gives me inbuilt in the car satellite navigation. Now this system, you can actually connect to your home Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to show you how to go about linking the screen to your Wi-Fi network. You have to be parked at home in range of your Wi-Fi router to do this procedure. First thing you need to do is make sure your mobile phone is not plugged in to the car. It won't work if it's plugged in. So go through your usual routine, turn the car on, wait for the screen to boot up. And you need to push the setup button, which will take you to this menu. You then need to look to the left hand side of the screen where it says General Bluetooth Audio Phone Voice, and scroll down to Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure Wi-Fi power is turned on, turn on access to network, then select out of the drop down menu available networks, and the system will now go looking for available networks. Somewhere in that drop down you'll see all the available networks that are available to the car. You'll need a couple of bits of information now. You'll need your email address that you use for connecting to your My Toyota app, and you'll also need your Wi-Fi router password. So either go and take a photo on your phone of the password, or take the password key into the car with you. My network's turned up here. I'm on TalkTalk. Double check you've got the right network, which I have, so I'm going to select the network. It's then going to go to another screen, bringing up the keyboard, and it'll ask you to enter a password for the network. So with said password, and it's case sensitive, type in the password for your router. Once you've typed your password in, click OK. It then says now connecting, and it'll tell you you've connected successfully. I'm now connected to the router in my house. That's the process of connecting to your Wi-Fi system. It's very, very simple, but it's not in the handbook. I hope you found this information not only interesting, but something that you're now going to attempt in your car, so you can do all your map updates yourself rather than going down to the dealer. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.